Tony, did you pack everything?
Yes, I think it is enough. I packed the tent, sleeping bags, and a hammock.
Great! That is good!
Anna, come downstairs, please. Help me pack for camping.
Yeah, I am coming. How can I help you? Put the flashlight and the compass in the backpack.
Do not forget the binoculars, too.
Mom, is this enough? No, Anna, it is not enough.
We need insect spray, rope, and lighter. All right, enough. Anna and Bill, let us go!
Wow! This camping car looks so cool.
Get in the car and let's go camping! Do you like camping?
Yes, Mom! Mom, can I play music?
Yes, you can. Play music and have fun.
Let's go. Chase that up and low. Singing out loud like we're already home.
Wow! I see a big lake here. It's beautiful here.
Okay, we will camp here. Let us share the work now.
Bill and I will set up the tent. Anna and Mom will cook dinner.
Yes! I want to make a campfire.
Okay, Bill. Let us do it.
There are many leaves here, Bill. Please clean.
Okay, Dad. Dad, I am done.
Good, I will open the tent bag.
Anna, let's cook together.
Yes, Mom, I am ready.
Help me bring the meat and veggies. I will get the grill.
Here it is. We need more charcoal. I will put charcoal inside and light it now.
Wow, Mom, you are so cool.
You are so cute.
Anna, can you help me take any plates?
Yes, I can. Yellow or white plate? Okay, I used the white plate. Here you go, Mom. Wow, it smells so good. Mom, can I try to grill?
Yes, you can try.
Please be careful with the fire. Do not get burned.
I got it, Mom.
I will hold it. You hit the steak, Scott. Good job, Bill.
Let us put sleeping bags inside.
Now we will make a campfire.
Bill, what do we need first?
We need woods.
Correct, you are smart. Let us find some wood.
Dad, I see a lot of trash and I do not like it.
Maybe other campers left it here.
Let us pick up the trash.
Put it in the bin.
Yes, Dad, I can do it.
We keep the place clean and protect nature.
Yes, Dad, I will remember.
Good boy, Bill. Now, let's find some wood.
Let us grill some shrimp, too.
Oh,
I want to eat eggplant, bell pepper.
Look, the sunset is beautiful.
beautiful. I wanted to go camping for a long time. Now it is real.
He's right. It's real. What do you like best?
I love to sleep in a tent. I love to roast marshmallows by the fire.
And I love to look at the stars.
How about you, Mom?
I am happy when we are together.
Oh,
This is the best camping trip.
this is the best camping trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.